This review is of Swerve Granular. And it's natural, tastes, bakes, and measures like sugar. Non-GMO, certified by NSF. Gluten-free, diabetes-friendly, non-glycemic, tummy-friendly, keto-friendly. Don't worry about carbs. Carbs aren't something. There aren't any carbs in this because you subtract the fiber and erythritol. It's also pet safe, born and raised in New Orleans. It's kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. And there's the blurb. Another blurb. Nutrition facts: no fat, sodium, or protein, 4 grams of carbs that are erythritol. And the ingredients are just erythritol, prebiotic oligosaccharides, and natural flavors. And I looked it up, and oligosaccharides do not have a glycemic index. So don't worry about that. So let's go ahead and try. During a camping trip with my son. It's almost a molasses kind of smell. Interesting. And it is granular, although you'll see in a sec here how it's different from sugar. Interesting. I would say that it might actually have a milder flavor than sugar does. But it's nice. Nothing unpleasant about it, just sweetness. Let's see. It doesn't list fibers, but it suggests that there are fibers in here. Although there are no fibers listed, I don't understand what's going on with that. Or if they're just trying to show 0 net carbs are calculated by subtracting fiber and erythritol. So, yeah, there seems to be no fiber in here. Okay, well, I think this is pretty tasty. I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.